me a big body Benz. We touching paper for real niggas rapping pretend.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle. I do cruelty-free beauty and vegan lifestyle videos here on YouTube, and I also do have my own website. You guys can check it out. I'll leave it across the screen here, but it is itsmerella.com. Anything that I don't review here on my channel, I will be putting over there. Beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and my passion project, which is Denver, my son. If you guys don't know, welcome into my channel. I have a son, and I love him. He is 8 months old. You'll see him every once in a while in my vlogs. Yeah, but I did a haul about 3 weeks ago, about maybe 3 weeks to a month ago, and I was a little hesitant in showing you guys what I picked up because I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep these items, only because when I went into my Think Dirty app, it rated really poorly. I was speaking to my sisters and they said, you know what, if people do watch your channel, they are cruelty free, but they're not too cautious or too into the non-toxic part of things, maybe it would be a good review for you. So I picked it up. I said why not, but I want to show you guys this actually, or the stuff that I'm going to cover today actually comes from the Cantu brand, and you can see I have used them, and this is about 3 weeks worth, and it's not just me, it's also David as well that's been using it, and I wanted to give you guys a complete review over the things that I purchased. I originally picked them up at Walmart, and I spent about $35 on 6 items. Then I headed over to Sally's because I wanted to pick up some hair care, other hair care stuff from there, and I saw it was on sale and it was buy one get one half off. So I ran back to Walmart, returned my stuff, went back to Sally's, picked up my stuff, and Sally's had a different, they offered different items there, so I was able to pick up different items from what Walmart had, and I was excited for that. So I ended up spending $35 at Walmart and about $25 at Sally's for that buy one get one half off, and I'm really excited over it. So I will show you. I picked up the shampoo and conditioner. I picked up the natural hair curl stretcher, the Define and Shine Custard, and I also picked up the leave-in conditioning cream, and then also the Edge styling gel. So I will go one by one. I'll have to put up the prices on the screen because I actually forgot, but I want to show you what the Think Dirty app, if you guys are into that, has to say about these. Think Dirty I showed you guys before. It's really cool. You can either scan the barcode or you can type it in. So like I was saying, Cantu is a cruelty-free beauty brand, or cruelty-free beauty line. So when I did this product came up 5 out of 10. 8 to 10 is pretty dirty. What is the scale? Oh, it says it here. 0 to 2 is neutral, 3 to 6 is half and half, and 7 to 10 is dirty. So when I picked up some of these items, I was like kind of hesitant because I'm really trying to stay true to like my non-toxic and trying to lower the levels of toxins that are in my home and my body, on my skin, all that stuff. So when I picked it up, I was a little hesitant, but now scanning this one, it says the conditioner is ranked a 5, and when you look into the ingredients, it tells you what is pretty high up, and oxenthal, I'm not sure how you say that, is a common synthetic and antimicrobial preservative used in cosmetics. There are no reports of this compound being found in natural extracts. So it's a synthetic. And then it says health impacts is skin irritation, potential neurotoxins. So that's not really the greatest, so that's why I was a little bit hesitant. But for those that are not worried about it, I do want to give you guys a quick review. So and I can put up the Think Dirty rankings as well up on the screen, but so I won't bore you with that. But so starting out with the shampoo and conditioner, my hair is currently with the products in it now. I washed my hair this morning. I used a lot of products yesterday, so I wanted to do a review now. So obviously starting out with everything, you're going to do shampoo and conditioner. I feel like the shampoo worked pretty well. It says really well. I felt like my hair was pretty clean after all of it. All of it was said and done. The scent is not, the scent to me smells a little more like made, like synthetic, and it might be because during my pregnancy I feel like everything smelled that way, and I don't know if it's still continuing with me or that really is the case. It kind of smells like pineapple, maybe pineapple coconut, fragrance mixed together, but the cleansing cream shampoo was pretty good. It has no sulfates, silicones, parabens, or mineral oil. It says rich lather removes heavy buildup, gentle formula prevents breakage, great for natural hair and colored hair. So these are my natural curls. I just have color treated hair. For me, the shampoo, if I were to rate it out of 1 to 10, I feel like it was about a 6. And it was pretty good. Now the conditioner, I have a little qualm about this one. This one's the hydrating cream conditioner. This one also has no sulfates, silicones, parabens, or mineral oils. It says helps hair retain natural oils, reveals healthier hydrated hair, and great for natural and color treated hair. That's me. Natural color treated hair. If you guys are wondering, I have my curl type is about a 3B, 3C curl type, and I have color treated hair, like I've said. And for me, this, if I'm ranking this a 1 out of 10, I feel like it's like 50-50. For me, when I'm doing my hair, I like to have a good slip to it because I do finger detangle in the shower, and I feel as though my hands kept getting stuck. I did take my rings off. I felt like I had to apply a lot more conditioner than normal. So for me, I want to say this ranks a 5 out of 10, and also this in the Think Dirty was also a 5. Would I purchase this, say if I was on vacation? Yeah, because it's something that's cruelty free and it's meant for curly hair. But am I going with intent to the store to repurchase this shampoo? Probably not. Don't kill me. Now, as for this is a Cantu, the Curl Stretcher Cream Rinse. Now, it said that you're supposed to do shampoo, and is it shampoo and conditioner and then use this? Wait, hold on, let me see. Because I remember I did it in order because I was in the shower and I read it. Apply to damp hair, leave in hair 3 to 5 minutes, rinse with cool water. So I did my shampoo, I did my conditioner, and then I went in with this as kind of like a leave-in for the shower while I finish everything else up. I did leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes, probably like 4 minutes while I was finishing. And for me, the curl stretching part of this is odd because it did stretch the curl, but it weighed it down. Like when my hair was completely dry, this is how it looked. And when normally I use my leave-in conditioners or my styling gels and all that stuff, my hair does have some body and some fluff to it. I felt as though this weighed it down. So if you are somebody that likes to have hair that's weighed down, this is something for you. If you're somebody that likes to have hair that has some fluff to it, a little bit more volume to it, you probably won't like this. I might be able to go back and try it again, and maybe if I just leave it from like here down how I like it, but I applied it from root to tip, let it sit in the hair, and then rinsed it out with some cool water, and that's how it left it. So for me, it was cool. If you want a more tamed look for the week, this is pretty good. If you are somebody that likes the volume, I'm somebody that loves volume in my hair, the bigger the better. And right now, my hair is so flat, but that's because it's wet. I just got out the shower and it's starting to, you see it, it's starting to dry now. So I will be getting that volume back to it. But as for me, for this curl stretcher, I was hoping it was gonna be a curl stretcher that had no weight added to it, but it gave you that length and that volume. So I don't know if there's a product out there like that. I will be looking for it. But as for me, I mean, it's cool. If I'm ranking it from 1 to 10, this is probably a 5. It's a so-so. I can do without it, but if I was in the store and I kind of wanted that longer looking curl, I would probably pick this up again. Just the ingredients in it, you know? Okay, so after I went in with the curl stretcher, this is something that I like to use. It smells really good. My husband was using it in his hair as well. This is a Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. This is very similar to Shea Moisture's coconut and hibiscus leave-in coconut and hibiscus smoothie cream. What is it called? You know what I'm talking about. I use it all the time. And I'm just trying to remember the verbiage that's on the container. Coconut and hibiscus smoothie? Something like that. And and it has pretty much the same consistency. Don't mind the piece of hair in it. It has pretty much the same consistency as that. It has pretty much the same weight as that as well. The only thing that threw me off was the Think Dirty app that said it had not the greatest ingredients in it. Now here is a product that I actually really did like until yesterday. So this is the Define and Shine Custard. This has amazing hold. Back in my day, oh my gosh, back in my day, right? We used to use those styling gels where you like squirt it out. They smelled really good, but they would make your hair look like this, and it was crunchy. This is how I feel like it made my hair feel. Mind you, I used this whole product line here. Went in, I was doing the half up, half down where I was doing this. I have some baby hairs because after having Denver, postpartum shedding, now the hair is starting to grow back. So I wanted to use something where these would stay pretty good, pretty intact, and I clipped it up. But then I said like this, and it was like Christmas Day. I was really mad because I liked the hold of that. Sometimes you do want to put your hair up in a bun and not have flyaways, but you don't want to scratch your head and then it's flaky. So that's something that I didn't really like. Cost-wise, this is great. Another thing for the Think Dirty app, I'll leave it down below. But that's the only thing that I had that was a bit of an annoyance for me. Over the years, I've looked very hard for gels that don't do that, and sad to say, this did it for me. I'm not sure if it will do it for you, but it definitely did it for me, and it has such a gelatinous feel, a gooey feel. Woo! You see? That I kind of like that, and it has such a great hold, but the only thing is that little bit of flake. And then the last thing that I wanted to cover really quickly with you guys is the Extra Hold Edge Style Gel. This one I would probably use over this one. You get a lot more for this one, but this one flakes. This one I haven't had a flaking problem on me yet, and hopefully that still continues. This reminds me of another product I used to use a couple years back. That when you're doing your half up, half downs, your high buns or ponytails, or whatever it is, your hair was gonna stay. This is that gel like that formula. It smells really good, and it lasted really long. I just put it on the edges. I really kind of need some now because my baby hairs. Probably brush that down, but I like this, and I think it held well, and it didn't give you like that crunchy feel, which was a good thing. So I like this one. I'm going to use it for a little longer to see how it works on my hair, and hopefully it does not punch me back in my face for saying this, but this is a product I probably would use again if you guys are in a crunch and you need something that's going to hold your hair and not give you the flakes and just make your edges seem really, really nice. I think that's a good one. Let me see, where's my brush? Let me grab a brush and show you. Okay, really quick. So I went to go find my brush, and I'll just show you really fast how this works. Please, camera, don't cut off because it's blinking. So I'm just going to take ooh, that's probably too much. I'm going to take a little bit. I used to use a gel like this all the time in college because I used to wear my hair in like really tight slick back buns. I'll just put it right here. My baby hairs are like true baby hairs. Like, look how nice that looks. Like if I wanted to look like that, and it pretty much stays like that. Oh no, my hairs. Isn't that crazy? Look how neat that looks. You know? So, I don't know, I like it. And it's gonna dry like this too. That's the crazy thing. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of the gel, as much as I don't want to, the gel in the front, because it gives the curls, it makes them like stay together. So I'll just use whatever's in the cap here, and I'll just run it through. Like, I don't know if you guys can see my little, all this hair fell out here. So now it's all growing back. I thought I was in the clear. I was like, yes, no postpartum shedding. And my hair does feel a bit thinner, but I was like, no postpartum shedding. Like, Denver is the bomb. Then, no, nice try. So that's that. And look, it just makes them look a lot better. It's so weird. So makes them look hydrated and healthy and not as terrible. So look at that. This is gonna stay. Ooh, I should take a picture. Okay, sorry. When I was recording the video, my battery died on my camera, and it takes forever for that one to charge. So I just wanted to do a quick roundup for you guys. Like I was talking about with the Cantu products, I do like their products. Speaking from a curly girl's perspective, speaking from cruelty-free perspective, but speaking from a non-toxic perspective, not so much. Only because some of the ingredients in the products it says they're neurotoxins, which you really don't want to mess with those. And especially if you're just trying to clean up some stuff within your body and on your skin, that might not be the best. But I did want to do a review for you guys because I am cruelty free and I do hair care videos. I wanted to be fair and showcase these because they are cruelty free for you guys. So certain items I really do like, certain items I don't, but I will probably put that in a monthly favorites for you guys, so you do know where I am coming from with those product suggestions and not. So like this one I really do like because my hair has stayed good. It's drying down really nice, and then I put that gel in the front so my hair looks nice and hydrated. It is a little bit crunchy, that's not terribly bad, but I just wanted to show you how those were wearing nice. But yeah, hopefully all is well with you guys, and you will stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I know this is a different angle because the phone records different than the camera, but yeah, hopefully all is well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please remember to be blessed, well dressed and not stressed, and I'll see you there. Bye.